Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to analyze CPI data tomorrow with what is going on gold trade. You can see the gold chart. I am marking non-farm payroll is was held last Friday and gold dropped to the below, and CPI data tomorrow 10th May will be released, so that the CPI data I am marking that gold will be drop or increase, what will going on. That's the technical picture I am seeing that, and what will going on tomorrow, what will happen on gold analysis. So that's in this video I am going to analyze CPI data trade, CPI data with the gold trade. So let's move the economic data, what will going on. Then I am going to the Forex factory is CPI data US dollar, so released will be tomorrow 10th of May. So 5% is the last CPI data, and Fed, American Central Bank, is forecasting 5% inflation data will be released tomorrow. So I am going to my analysis with the gold trade with CPI data. So actual CPI data will be 5% or above 5%. So actual data above 5% or 5%, that's the Fed is going to the interest rate hike again next FOMC meeting, and gold will be dropped to the below, dollar will be getting demands. That's my first forecast with the CPI data. I think you can understand above 5% inflation actual figure is will be released tomorrow, and gold will be dropped and dollar will be demands. That's my first forecast. And then inflation data will be dropped to the below 5%, 4% or 4.5, like that. Below 5% drop to the inflation data. Next FOMC meeting, Fed will be hold the interest rate, and that is the depreciate sell off of US dollar, and gold will be buy from that level to 2050 above, like that. That's my second forecast with the CPI data. So you will touch with CPI data more. High volatility economic data tomorrow will be released with the US dollar regarding. So that's my two forecasting with the CPI data. For accurate gold signals and analysis with my Telegram link is below, so join with them. So this is the technical picture. You can see non-farm data. I already marked this. Last Friday was released, and that's the positive for US dollar, and gold dropped. And the tomorrow CPI data, that's how can we trade gold. That's the matter. That's the or buy gold or sell gold. So that's the CPI data you will touch, you will forecast. So I am predicting two options that I have already mentioned, that above 5% inflation data will be increased. That's the demand of US dollar, and gold will be dropped. And below 5% drop to inflation data, that's the depreciate sell off of US dollar, and gold will be buy from that level. So that's my two options with CPI data. Tomorrow will be released with the US dollar, and this is the technical picture. I already marked support line in yellow color. So price retest this line and already going to the upside, but not continuing to uptrend. You will forecast CPI data tomorrow. So touch with the CPI data, and thank you very much.